love to hear from you that what is it that has worked for you in the last 6 months, and what has been the challenges, and how do you see the new normal, specifically for enterprise sales?
Yeah, thank you, Nilesh, and thank you for having me here. Good evening to everyone who's joining from India and anyone else from outside. Good morning, good afternoon. So it's been a pleasure to be on this panel. And coming to Nilesh's question, specific to new normal, I mean, it's true that we didn't anticipate at the beginning of this year that we are going to be in this situation. And even if we were able to see ourselves by March, April, we were still thinking by August, September, things will settle down, we will be back to normal. However, now, as you see, the new normal does look like mostly virtual. That's how I see it. I feel that we will come back to normal maybe a year and a half from now, but life would remain virtually active at a much larger pace than it was until now. Specifically, the way companies have adopted, the way employees and even businesses, customers have adopted to this. I feel I'll speak for my industry, because coming from the IT industry, it has been I would say it has been an easier transition for us. It was just that the number of hours at the office space versus at home obviously has shifted and kind of transitioned to the other side. But other than that, the work has become more, I would say, more demanding, because whatever you could communicate over a face-to-face meeting in a group conversation has to be done over emails, has to be done over video calls, and so all the more communication is needed. So what has changed for me and for my company specifically is those engagements, touch points have increased. So as an executive team, as part of the leadership team, what we have done is we have made sure that we are consistently doing our town halls, which were earlier happening obviously face-to-face in offices like Bangalore, where we had a larger staff base. But since we are all virtual now, we do it at a time that suits for every geographic location. But we make sure that those are happening consistently. All the leadership and executive team participates in that. Other than that, I would say a couple of weeks it took probably to adjust in terms of people having Wi-Fi issues or not being used to not going to office and being at home with family and kids and other constraints around. But then we all adopted quickly and swiftly, and so did our clients. So it has been a positive transition. It has been a good transition, I would say, for companies like ours. And I come from an industry which is life sciences. So all the more, due to the situation and the pandemic we are in, we are actually more busy because our customers need vaccine related software. They are moving into, so there is a lot of competition within our customer base to come out with the vaccine as soon as possible. And we are actually, they want our software earlier than expected. So we are fast tracking a lot of our implementations and production for our software. So that way our business has really boomed, I would say. Few things definitely impacted, but nothing very, very significant that I could point out. And it has been a positive change. We've seen our go lives happening on time. So I would say initial couple of weeks, and then we were like kind of back on track. It's like people got used to it. People understood what is the new normal. And as you said, it is the new normal now.